Hello everybody. So let's continue by converting our HTML CSS theme to a WordPress theme. So last time we just finished our courses page and today we will get started with our services page. Okay. So first of all, as usual, we would need to create another template and name it as services.php. Okay. And we would need the template name and the get header function and also get footer function, and we will change our template name here and name it as services. Okay, and then we will open our services.html. We don't need navigation here and we won't need the footer here. That's it. Okay, copy that one, paste it here, and then we will copy the get template directory URI function. I just don't want to waste time by writing it again, and let's see if we have any image tags here. Yep, we do have one here, second one here, and then again. Don't worry, we're gonna remove that function and the URL by all of those images later on when we just convert the whole thing into a dynamic content, so that the non-technical person would be able to publish those images from the WordPress dashboard. So I don't think if we have any other functions here, so let's just go here and create another page, name it as services, and assign the template services page. Okay, everything is working. Yep, totally fine. Okay, now let's create our another page, which is membership. Create another template, name it as membership.php, and then we would add our get header and also our get footer functions, and we will change our template name it as membership page, and then we would go to our membership.html. It should be here. Which one is that? Let me just confirm. It's pricing.html. Okay, pricing, yes, this one. Let's just copy this from that part now. Let me just confirm what's inside our header. Okay, that's it. And then we would copy the get template directory URI function, and let's see if we have any images. I mean, definitely we would have some. Oh, we don't have any image tag here. Okay, let's just come here, create another page, name it as membership, and assign the template membership page. Yep. Yeah, we don't have any image here. That's totally fine. Those images are from CSS, so as you know that we won't need any PHP function for those CSS code. So yeah, that's it, and we would create another file which is contact.html. So create another one, contact.php. Where's our header? This one. And then the function get footer, and we will change our template name here, name it as contact page. So let's just go to the contact.html. It should be here. We don't need the header, we don't need the footer. Where the footer? That's it. Okay, and inside our this page contact.php. That's it. Let's just go to our WordPress, create another page, name it as contact us, and here contact page, and see if everything is working here. Yep, everything is working perfectly fine. Okay, now first we need to create a page for our blogs. So actually in this team we had, I guess, two options if we want to display our blogs by I mean in grid system, or if we want to display that with our sidebar. I guess we would go with our sidebar styling, because it has some other functionality as well. For example, search, and I mean these are all WordPress widgets, so we can utilize those widgets, and we would also learn about widgets. So yeah, let's create create another blog page, name it as blogs.php, and then we would copy the get header function and also our get footer function, and just change the template name here, name it as blogs. Okay, and we have blog dash sidebar.html file, we will utilize that one. Definitely we are gonna have some images here, I'm damn sure. So let's just copy get template directory URI function. Let me just close a few of those files. That's it. Okay, so now this one, and then this one, then this image tag and another image tag. Let's see if we have few more image tags. Yes. Do we have more images? No. Okay, so let's just go to our WordPress pages, create another page, name it as blogs, and assign the blogs template here. Oops. Okay, let's just view this one. Everything is perfectly fine. Yep, so we have that one now, and this one. Okay, and also we will create another file for another template for blog details. Okay, there are two ways now. For blog details we can create another template, and I guess we might not need that, because in our first lecture when I was teaching you guys about the WordPress file structure, you might remember we have a page here which is a file here which is named as single.php, which actually represents the single detail page of any blog post. Okay, so let's just go into that page, single.php, and add our two functions, sorry, which is get underscore first is header, get underscore header, and then the second function is get underscore footer. Okay, now go to our blog dash single.html. We don't need the header again, we don't need the footer. Just copy this one and go inside that, and let's just copy our get template directory URI function, and inside our single.php, let's see if we have any. Of course we might have images. Okay, there are a lot of images here, I'm sorry guys. Okay, let's just see if we I mean the single page is working. So yep, single page is working. Those images are not working. We will see which images are those. Popular posts. Okay, let's copy this one again and search for popular courses. Yep, we missed those. And then we will refresh it again. Yeah, these images are working now. Okay, I guess everything is perfectly fine now. Let's just go to our home page now and see what do we have there. Perfect. So what we need to do now in our next lecture, of course I'm going to finish this one now, and in our next lecture we will learn about how to make those content dynamic so that the user should be able to make any changes for any page inside those pages. For example, uh, blogs page or about page or courses or home page. For example, in that case we will need to work on that home page, so we should have some options here so that we can add some content which should be displayed according to the stylings, according to the content structure, everything. And we would make the home page completely dynamic so that each and every single word or any image should be editable or should be controllable by any non-technical user from this home page by editing the home page, of course. And when someone just gets logged into your WordPress, it might be either admin or any editor or anyone to whom you gave access, or it might be even your client. So that's it for today. We will learn next features or next functionalities of our WordPress in our next lecture. So that's it. Thank you so much. If you have any questions, any issues, any concerns, just don't hesitate and feel free to comment, and I will try to answer those. Thank you so much. Bye bye.